So now let's add it in.
And now we have lots of French toast batter. You've been scammed.
Only I can redeem myself today with this egg.
Okay, last one. Drum roll.
Please. I need to redeem myself. Oh, I redeemed myself.
Okay, that's true. Time for the big reveal.
3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Big Chef and Little Chef. I'm Little Chef Hadi,
I'm the big chef, Samya.
and I hope you're getting hyped today because today we're gonna make
Anday Ka Halwa. It's actually more commonly known as an egg dessert. It's an egg-based sweet dish, but it's more commonly known as Anday Ka Halwa. And in a few easy steps, we're gonna tell you how to make it.
And here are the ingredients you need. You need some milk, ghee, sugar, and 8 eggs, and a bowl, and a whisk.
Yep. Let's get started.
Okay, so now we need to crack 8 eggs right here.
And probably we won't need to crack any more unless little chef here decides to break one. May the best egg cracker win.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I succeeded! Yeah.
Egg number 3. I can see you've been practicing.
So now let's mix the other ingredients in.
Alright, little chef, why don't you start mixing it and I will start adding the ingredients one by one.
Okie dokie.
Be sure to mix in your eggs properly because we don't want any egg whites during our halwa making process, so be sure to mix them well. Alright, let's start adding in our ingredients one by one. We're gonna start off with 1 cup of sugar.
1 cup of sweetness. So now let's put the milk.
1 liter of milk. This is half liter, so I'm going to add in again. The other half.
Now, as you can already see, it's already mixed. So now let's go to the cooking part.
Now let's add in the ghee. Well, we are using ghee because it has a certain aroma and taste to it, but you could also use butter or oil.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Now we're gonna wait until the ghee is melted, but not burning. Let's add it in.
So now let's add it in.
So there's 2 steps to making it. Making the Anday Ka Halwa. The first step is we're going to keep on whisking it so we can, form small little small little dots of the egg particles. And then we're going to stop using the whisk and we're going to start using a spoon so we don't make it into a giant French toast batter again. So there's 2 parts to making the egg dessert. The first part is we're going to be using a whisk to form the small little egg bits, and then we're going to use a spoon so that we don't return the egg bits into its normal watery state. We'll show you how.
Add in some orange food coloring to give it more like the Anday wala color.
Egg wala color chahiye. We've shifted to the spoon. Now we're just gonna keep mixing it till the water evaporates and we're left with delicious, yummy goodness. Be sure to break off any lumps Any large bumps, just break them up and they'll come back into small little particles.
Now it's ready.
Now it's ready. It's finally ready, and that took a lot of waiting, but it was worth it. We're now going to plate it up and
Serve it.
yeah, but before serving, we're gonna enjoy some ourselves, right? So using a mold here, we are going to give it a nice little shape. Of course, you could put it in a big bowl too, but you know, it'll look nicer this way.
We're a little fancy.
Would you like to help me, little chef?
Yes, I would.
I think that's enough.
And now let's squish it.
Time for the big reveal.
3, 2, 1.
Ta-da! It looks great.
Now we're done.
It's done. It looks so good. I can't wait to try it. But first,
Do not forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and turn on all post notifications on.
see you next time. Leave a comment below what dessert you would like us to try next. And stay tuned for more. Bye!